After we left Williamson Farms, we followed the peppers to the Simplot Pasco facility, where Plant Director Tyler Johnson and his team were bringing in trucks full of peppers ready to be roasted for the hungry customer. So the team and I gloved up and took a look around.
So these peppers were actually in a field hours ago, right? So they were just harvested. They get shipped over to a plant in Boardman. They're gonna go through cutters, clean them, and then bring them for us nice and chilled. And then as soon as it gets off this truck, it goes straight into Simplot production.
That's called fresh.
Fresh.
Sounds like, yeah.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them through a flame roaster, we're gonna blanch them, we're gonna get them that nice taste to them. After that, we're gonna flash freeze them, lock in all that flavor, get them ready to pack for our customer.
It's gonna make them taste good.
Oh yeah.
Well, look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, very much so.
Wow.
So that's about the freshest green peppers you can get.
Yes, it smells so good.
Yes. Like I said, this was just in a field hours ago.
Yeah.
So what you're standing in front of now is our roaster. So this machine is literally like a giant barbecue. So on the backhand side, we got natural gas coming through it, just like your grill at home, but obviously on a much larger scale.
A little bit bigger than my little Traeger in the backyard.
Yeah, we can be anywhere from 300 to 450 degrees depending on which product we're running.
Yeah.
So this
cool.
allows our customers to have that nice fresh grilled taste without all the trouble of preparing and that. You just grab it from a bag and it's almost like you just cooked off a barbecue.
Absolutely.
The exit of the roaster, it's going to drop on this conveyor to take it into the steam blancher.
Okay.
The steam blancher is roughly right around 200 degrees. That provides the kill step. It'll take away anything bad that might make you sick. It's just like cooking at home.
I can see the nice charcoal grilled peppers as they come off the...
I know, it's making me hungry.
Me too. I think we need some burgers and...
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe some fajitas.
Yeah.
So the next step of this process, we're gonna flash freeze, and basically what that's gonna do, it's gonna lock in all the quality of the peppers.
Yeah.
So it's this huge stainless steel structure right here. Inside of that is an ammonia freeze tunnel.
Wow.
So when the product comes out of this tunnel, it's anywhere from -5 to 2 degrees.
Yeah. That'll lock in the freshness, right?
Very, very cold. At this point, these peppers will remain frozen up till the point the customer gets them.
Yeah.
To end our day, the Simplot team prepared some of their items fresh off the line for me to taste.
Are these seasoned?
Yes, so this is a red and green pepper blend, and then we enrobe it with a fajita seasoning.
Ooh,
it's very, very delicious.
Yeah.
It takes out the work of preparation.
Right.
Nobody's sitting in their kitchen dicing it, but you still get that farm fresh taste.
I'm kind of hungry.
Kind of hungry?
Right?
Well, let's dig in. These just came off the line, so.
You can really taste the roasting.
That barbecue grilled taste is the one that keeps me coming back.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's so good. From field to my mouth.